Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Prostate massage is a therapeutic procedure that involves the stimulation of the prostate gland, a small walnut-sized organ located just below the bladder in men. This practice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and is believed to offer various health benefits. However, it's essential to note that prostate massage should only be performed by a trained medical professional and is not recommended for everyone. Here are some potential benefits of prostate massage. Improved prostate health. Prostate massage may help to improve blood circulation in the prostate gland and remove stagnant fluids, potentially reducing the risk of prostate-related issues such as prostatitis, inflammation of the prostate, and benign prostatic hyperplasia, enlargement of the prostate. Pain relief. For individuals suffering from prostate-related pain or discomfort, prostate massage can sometimes provide relief by releasing tension and reducing inflammation in the prostate gland. Sexual health. Some proponents of prostate massage believe that it can improve sexual function and pleasure. It is thought that stimulating the prostate may lead to enhanced semen production and ejaculation. Improved urinary function. Prostate massage might help improve urine flow in men with urinary symptoms caused by prostate enlargement. By reducing congestion and pressure on the urethra, it could lead to improved urinary function. Prostate health monitoring. Prostate massage can also be used as a diagnostic tool to collect prostatic fluid for analysis. This fluid can be examined for signs of infection or other abnormalities, helping with early detection of potential health issues. Stress reduction. Like many forms of massage, prostate massage may have relaxation benefits. It can help reduce stress and promote a sense of well-being in some individuals. It's important to remember that while there may be potential benefits to prostate massage, there are also risks involved. Incorrect or aggressive prostate massage can cause harm, and it should never be attempted without proper training and medical supervision. Additionally, some men may have certain medical conditions or contraindications that make prostate massage unsuitable for them. If you're considering prostate massage for specific health concerns, it's essential to consult with a qualified healthcare professional who can assess your individual situation and determine if this procedure is appropriate for you. They can guide you on the potential risks and benefits based on your unique health needs. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, please hit the notification button to keep you updated with our upcoming posts and videos. Brightest Life will be happy if you leave comments to our videos and rest assured that we will reply to them. Till next time.